Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're cutting a half-round curve. This is so easy. Basically, we're going to make 3 cuts, and then we'll use our pry bar to just pop those right out of there. This is something you can easily do yourself. You don't need to call a concrete boring company to do this. They're going to charge you $500-$600 to do this. And you can rent this partner saw for $60 half a day. It won't even take you 5 minutes. This type of cut will pass any inspection. You can always go pull a permit, and they'll maybe $50 depending on your city or county. And we're not going to use any concrete at all. We're going to actually make it a perfect fit every time. So 3 cuts. Find an expansion. Use the expansion as one of the cuts, and then make your outer cut, and then you're going to make a center cut. It's really that simple. Make sure that you cut all the way down to the street level. That's important. And then when we use our pry bar, this is just going to pop right up out of there. This is so much better than putting a pop-up there at the street. This way the water can come drain naturally all the way out and go into the gutter where it belongs. Remember, the pop-up, whether it's a 3 or a 4-inch pop-up, is a 90. And that means the water has to rise up 3 or 4 inches before it can flow out. That causes the drain line to hold water and debris, which will eventually block and cause problems. This way we have a natural gravity all the way out to the curb.
So now if you've made your cuts properly, you should be able to take your pry bar and just hit it a couple times inside these cracks and pop it right out of there. There's your first piece. And there's your second piece. Let me bring the camera over here. You can see what it looks like. You can see a perfectly cut V. That pipe will go right there to the end. We'll just clean it out, and that water will come right out here to the street.
And a bonus, if you have a homeowner that wants to help, put them to work. So she's stepping on that pipe. I'm going to unroll it, and this job is complete.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.